Sige. Sige. Are you ready? Yeah, very good. Happy birthday, Cherry! Do not stop, okay? 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 Do not stop, okay? Okay? Okay. So, are you ready? Very good. Are you ready? Very nice. Now I'm just making it clear for you, okay? Okay. Okay? Okay. Okay. Happy birthday, Jerry! You have to breathe deeply so that you will win. You have to win. You are the sister. Para mabairan mo. Tama? Okay. You do like this, oh. I teach you the technique. Happy birthday, Jerry! Okay? Get ready, go. Like that. Like that. That's it. Okay? You are very good. You are a fast learner. Okay, ready? Breathe it. Like that. 1, 2, ready, go. Like that. I like that kind of breathing. That's the I think good. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 100!
Wow, grabe. 100! Wow, winner! And you are our champion. Of course, you will get a lot of prizes. And this one, and this one. Wow. All of those are yours. Congratulations. Wow. Oh, ikaw na tanan. Hindi mo bitaw yapo na. Party. Daddy JR and Nani Casey. And our birthday celebrant. Yay! Wow, palakpakan! Yay! O, diba? Natingala siya. Tanaw po siya sa kuwao. Ano siya? Gusto na ng klase ng animal. Korea man. Diba? So, thank you very much. Welcome once again. And later on, we will have our presentation.